Keeping the wheels turning. But the boss of this electric bike manufacturer in Milton Keynes says the wheels of his business are turning slower than they would otherwise have done, were it not for the UK's exit from the single market and customs union just over 2 years ago. That's due to new border bureaucracy.
Trying to sell into Europe, it's been much more complex than it was pre-Brexit. Really, it's a sort of market they could be buying online from us at the moment. It's easy for them to go online, place an order and have the product shipped, but at the moment it's simply almost impossible to fulfill orders like that. I'd like more to go into Europe now and hit Europe with a British e-bike brand, you know, and they'd want it as well. That's the irony of it. We get phone calls all the time where people are saying, can we buy your bike? Can we buy your bike? And we just know at the moment it's just it's a hassle really to sort of try and organise getting in there.
Right, and it just gives you that thrust, it just naturally does it.
You can try it up and down there if you want.
Yeah, cool.
Get you on it.
Not every UK business has been punctured by Brexit, but evidence suggests the majority of those who trade with the continent, especially smaller firms, have. 2 years on from the end of the Brexit transition, and it's pretty clear from the business surveys and analysis of official trade data that Brexit has had a negative impact on UK exporters. So short of going back into the single market, which doesn't seem to be on the cards politically, what can be done to help firms like this one maximise their economic potential?